morning, student. Yeah. Okay. Already you know some food items. Okay. Yes or no? Yes. Your mother prepared good food for you, and next you like some fruits and vegetables, but you don't know the names. Okay. And uses. Today we are discussing about the fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. Okay. Do you like fruits? No, but it is very helpful. And do you like vegetables? Some vegetables you like potato. Okay, so you know some names, but you don't know some names. Today I am given the words names, so you have to read the spellings. Okay, children, can you read? Okay, and fruits. What are the fruits we are using every day? Can you guess? Yes. Say some names of the fruits. Apple and banana and next pineapple and grapes, guava and pear, lychee. Okay, apples. You like this all mangoes and custard apple. You know this all. Okay, I will show some pictures. You can see here. See children, what is this fruit? Strawberry. Do you like strawberry? Yes. Okay. It has sour taste. Okay. And some strawberries they are having sweet taste. So and it has C vitamin. Okay. Some members they are having diseases like cancer, but the strawberry can fight against the cancer diseases. Okay. What is the spelling of the strawberry? I will write here. Let's say with me. Strawberry. Okay. Strawberry. Strawberry. Okay, children. And next one. See here. What is this fruit? Apple. You like apple? Yeah, most of the people they like apples. And you know green apple? See, green apple. Okay. Green apple and red color apples. We are seeing so many colors now. So these apples contain A vitamin. Okay. If you are losing the resistance power on your body, it will give the resistance power to your body. Okay. Apples. So that's why you are eating apple. It can fight against so many infections. Okay, children. Do you like? Yes. What is the spelling of the apple? Already in previous classes you know the spelling. Just you have to recall again. Okay. And next one. What is this fruit? Pineapple. Do you like pineapple? No. But it is very good for our health. Okay. In pineapple we get these pineapples in summer season. Okay. Do you like pineapple? You have to eat all fruits and vegetables. You get healthy skin and healthy body. Okay, children. What is the spelling of pineapple? P-I-N-E. Pineapple. Okay, pineapple. Okay, children. And next one, grapes. Okay. Do you like grapes? Black grapes and green grapes, two types there. Do you like green or black? Yes, green and black grapes. See here, these grapes they can relax the blood vessels. Okay, in our body we are having the blood vessels now, so it can relax our blood vessels. What is the spelling of the grapes? Grapes. What is that? Grapes. P-E-S. Okay. This is the grapes. What is the spelling of the grapes? G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. And next one. So many members like banana. Okay. Already you know this banana. Why we are eating banana? Because it gives instant energy. Okay. When you are eating banana, immediately you get energy. Okay. And it can also fight some diseases. Okay. This banana, it has some vitamins and it can fight against some diseases. What is the spelling of the banana? B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Fruits these are. And next one, see children, what is this fruit? Already you know, so many members like this fruit. Orange. Okay, it can give good skin. Okay, it has C vitamin. What is the vitamin contain? C vitamin, and it is give a good skin. Okay children, what is this? Orange. What is the spelling of the orange? O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. And next one, pear. Okay, what is this fruit? See here, pear. P-E-A-R, pear. It also contains C vitamin. Okay, and it can relax our blood pressures. Sometimes we are feeling bored. Okay, when you are eating pear fruit, you get some relaxation. Okay, children. So, what is the fruit name? Pear. Okay, children. And you know, some plants also have given fruit vegetables. Okay, say some fruit vegetables names. Tomato also fruit vegetables. And lemon also fruit vegetable. Here see children, this is the lemon. It is a fruit vegetable. Okay, lemon. What is the spelling of the lemon? L-E vegetables. What is the spelling of the lemon? L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. Okay. It contains C vitamin. Every day you are taking lemon, what happened? You are getting new cells in your body. Okay, children. And next one, carrot. Okay, do you like carrot? Yeah, so many members like carrot. And rabbit also like carrot. Okay, you like rabbit? Yes. And you like carrot? Yes. It is very good for our health. Okay, it contains A vitamin. Okay, it contains A vitamin. Okay, it is good for our eyes. Okay, children, what is the spelling of the carrot? C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. And next one, fruit vegetable. We can see some fruit vegetables. What is that? Tomato. Okay, see this one? Tomato. It is a fruit vegetable. It also contains C vitamin. Okay, tomato. And you know onions. Every day you are seeing in market onions. Okay, what is the spelling of the onion? O-N-I-O-N. Onion. And chilies. Can you see red chilies and green chilies? So, you know chilies, C-H-I-L-L-I, chili. Okay, red chilies are there and green chilies. And next one, see, do you like brinjal? Some members like, but some members don't like. Okay, but if you are eating brinjal, you get vitamins. Okay, so different types of vitamins the vegetable have. So, brinjal. This is the brinjal. What is the spelling of the brinjal? B-R-I-N-G-A-L. Brinjal. Okay, what is the spelling of the brinjal? Brinjal. Brinjal. Okay, children. And next one. See here. Drumstick. Drumstick. Do you like drumstick? Yes. So these drumsticks are also very good for our health. The drumstick spelling is D-R-U-M, drum, S-T-I-C-K, drumstick. Okay, what is the spelling of the drumstick? D-R-U-M, S-T-I-C-K, drumstick. And next one, sweet corn. You know sweet corn and maize. In this season, we are getting sweet corn and maize. You like maize? Okay, this is the maize. M-A-I-Z-E, maize. Okay, if you are eating maize daily, you are getting some, you can reduce some diseases. Okay, children. What is that? Maize. M-A-I-Z-E, maize, like corn. Okay, sweet corn. So the sweet corn, they have another name, maize. What is that? M-A-I-Z-E, maize. And last one, see here, green capsicum and red capsicum. Do you like capsicum? Yes. See these capsicum, they contain C vitamin. Okay, it is also good for our health. What is the spelling of the capsicum? C-A-P-S-I-C-U-M. Capsicum. Okay, children. Capsicum. C-A-P-S-I-C-U-M. Capsicum. So now, recall this all. Today we have to learn these words, spellings. What are the fruits and what are the vegetables? What are the fruits I am given here? The names also you can read. And what are the vegetables I am given here? You have to read these vegetables names. Okay. Today homework also these words spellings, children. Okay. First we have to know the words. Then only we can know other topics. Okay. How we are using. Okay. Why we are using these fruits and vegetables? We can discuss next classes. Okay, children. See here. Strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. And A-P-P-L-E. Apple. And P-I-N-E. Pine. A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. And grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. And B-A-N-A-N-E. Banana. And O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Okay. And P-E-A-R. Pear. And you like mango? Yes. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. The king of fruits. Okay. The king of fruits we can call mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. And next vegetables. Lemon. Okay. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. And C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. And tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. And chilies. You know chilies, red chilies and green chilies. C-H-I-L-L-I. Chili. And here brinjal. B-R-I-N-G-A-J-A-L. Brinjal. And drumstick. D-R-U-M. Drum. S-T-I-C-K. Drumstick. And maize. M-A-I-Z-E. Maize. C-O-R-N. Corn. And next one capsicum. Capsicum also you have two types. Green capsicum and red capsicum. C-A-P-S-I-C-U-M. Capsicum. Okay, children. I hope you have to understand these fruits and vegetables names. You can read in your phone. Without seeing, you have to write on a paper and send through the WhatsApp, children. This is the homework. These fruits names and vegetables names. This is the homework for you. Okay, children, you have to read these names, fruits and vegetables. Okay, children, bye.